Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. So for today I'll be showing you how it is I make bulgur with red kidney beans as a healthy alternative to rice and peas. So if you'd like to see how this is done, just stick around as I get into that. So let's get into the ingredients. So we'll be using butter, scallion, onion, garlic. I'll also be using the bulgur. We'll be adding a touch of all-purpose seasoning, some coconut milk, the red kidney beans, thyme, hot Scotch pepper, and some garlic. I'll also be adding some salt to taste. So to start off, guys, you'll be putting the peas to cook. In the spot you're seeing where I've added the scallion, which has been crushed, there's some thyme, and you can also add the onion and salt in this period. For me, the peas is soft, so there was no need for it to be pressured, but you also have that option of using a pressure pot in order to get the peas cooked quicker. I've also gone ahead to add the garlic and salt by this point, and then the pot will be left to come to a boil and to allow for the peas to cook. So once the pot has come to a boil, you can add more water to what we call here in Jamaica sink the peas, and then you'll just leave it to come to a boil again to allow the peas to cook. We do check the pot occasionally to ensure that there's still enough water in the pot and also to test where it is in terms of it being cooked. Once the peas is near to being cooked, you can go ahead to add the coconut milk. You can mix the coconut milk in, if it is you're using powdered coconut milk, in room temperature water or in warm water. Once that is done, you can just go ahead to add it to the pot. At this point as well, I will go ahead to add my Scotch bonnet pepper. As we allow the peas to cook, we will go ahead to prepare the bulgur. So I'll be using 2 cups of bulgur. Here you'll see where I've washed it and I'm now allowing it to soak for a bit. This will allow for it to soak for a bit, and any trash that wasn't removed in the rinsing process will then float to the top. We'll now go ahead to add the bulgur to the pot with the peas. Note well that bulgur doesn't need a whole lot of water, so I allowed the pot to boil down to a good amount that would be enough for the 2 cups of bulgur. So just go ahead to add that to the pot now, and then once it has been added to the pot, you just go ahead to take a utensil to stir the bulgur with the ingredients with the peas to get a good mix. Just to know that the butter was already added to the pot prior to the bulgur, so you can see they're reflecting on the top of the water. You would then leave the bulgur to be cooked at a low to medium flame for roughly 10 to 15 minutes. And also went ahead to shred some pak choy and cabbage that will be lightly steamed and served with the meal. So this is the bulgur and red beans after the 10 to 15 minutes of cooking. I'll just go ahead to show you what it looks like after it has been served. And here you have the completed dish, bulgur and red beans served with stir-fried veg and some cucumbers and Jamaican style curry chicken. Do hope you learned something from this tutorial today. Leave me a comment down below if you'll be trying this meal and if there's any other healthy rice alternatives that you'd like for me to show you how to prepare. Also leave that in the comment section. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Also to share this video with someone who you think this would be helpful for. And guys, of course, if you are here and you are not yet a subscriber to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so the next time I post you'll be able to see it. So guys, until next time, continue to be your most authentic self and stay naturally. Bye. Welcome to Majesty.